What's up, Rocky? I'm a huge fan of Project Hail Mary, both the book and the movie. It's one of those rare stories that really manages to be technically brilliant and deeply emotional. If you're following my channel, you might have seen my previous video where I managed to create a Rocky synthesizer to bring those Eridian musical-based tones to life. But to truly bring our favorite engineer to life, he needs more than just a voice. Today, I'm taking the next step. I'm gonna add a Raspberry Pi and a tiny LCD, giving Rocky a face and a brain so I can interact with him. In my previous video, I used Python to generate Rocky-like sounds. They were not technically accurate, but the sounds were close enough to remind me of Rocky. So for this weekend project, I decided to use the same script. The next step was to figure out the display and the audio parts for the project. I ended up getting a PiSugar Whisplay board. It comes with an onboard LCD screen, physical buttons, LED indicators, a speaker, and a microphone. It was perfect for my project. The board also connects easily with the Raspberry Pi Zero. After running the packaged test scripts, I got the display and the audio functions to work. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. My next step was to give Rocky a brain. For this, I used Gemma 4, a lightweight open model that you can run locally on personal devices. I set up LLM Studio locally on my MacBook Air and loaded a Gemma 4 model. Hey Rocky, how are you today? Gemma 4 has native audio capabilities, meaning the model can process audio input directly. But at the time I made this project, LLM Studio did not support audio input. So I wrote another Python script that uses a model called Whisper Tiny to convert the audio input from the Raspberry Pi to text. Then the script forwards the text input to the LLM Studio server, which uses Gemma 4 E2B model to generate a response. The response is then forwarded to the Raspberry Pi, completing the request cycle. The initial test took about 28 seconds to complete. I had thinking enabled in LLM Studio, and the model was thinking before replying to each request, which added a delay. After turning that off, the responses were a lot faster. Hey Rocky, how are you today? What should we do today, Rocky? I also noticed that the more I interacted with it, the faster it got. You're really fast? Here is a comparison of the local model and the cloud model. Hey Rocky, how are you today? What should we do today, Rocky? Who is your friend? Oh no, the engine is leaking. Rocky, how do we fix the engine? Rocky, can you send me a really long response about the universe? If the response text is too long to fit, the display will scrub the text.
How's your friend, Rocky?
I know this is not a technically accurate Rocky build, but I think it's close enough to remind me of him.
Thank you, Rocky. You're the best.
If you like to build your own, check the description for the link to GitHub.
Hey, Rocky. Did you fix the engine today?
If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing and leaving a like. I really appreciate it. I will see you in the next one.
Rocky, what do you think about the universe?